Hi, today I will show you how I make my beetroot hummus, which is very easy to make, very delicious, if only I could eat more gracefully. So you will need dried chickpea, which you will soak in water with baking soda. After 2 hours you drain it and then you cook the chickpeas with a bit of soda. Once you drain it, shake the chickpeas to remove the shells. This will make your hummus more fluffy. Fry some garlic and then add 2 cooked beetroots in a blender. Add your chickpeas, juice from 1 lemon. Try not to make mess like I do. Add the fried garlic and pour some olive oil. Add cumin and 3 tablespoons of tahini, some salt, and ice cubes. This will make your hummus even more fluffy. At least this is what I've heard. And then blend it. If it doesn't go, then always you can add some more water or lemon juice. And voila! Just to make it less boring, more pretty, you can decorate it with some sesame seeds and chickpeas, and some olive oil, of course. Enjoy!